Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at javaloyax.com, an online store that supposedly specializes in men's fashion. At first glance, the site looks clean and professional, offering the usual mix of shirts and casual wear for the modern man. But as we know, a nice layout is often just a fancy wrapper for a giant digital headache. Let's find out if this place is legit or if you should run for the hills. Because honestly, the world definitely needs another mysterious clothing site with a name that sounds like a prescription medication. We started by checking the domain registration and found it was only created in September 2025. Being brand new isn't a crime, but it means they have zero reputation and no history to lean on. It's essentially the digital equivalent of a pop-up shop in a dark alley that appeared overnight. Next, we looked at those stylish product photos. They look great because they were stolen directly from other websites. If a company can't even afford a camera or a tripod, you have to wonder if the actual clothes even exist outside of a stolen JPEG. Customer support is another comedy of errors. While they offer a live chat option, it's just a collection of automated bots that are about as helpful as a screen door on a submarine. If your order goes missing, don't expect a human to actually help you. You'll just be arguing with a computer that doesn't care about your fashion sense. Furthermore, their About Us section contains absolutely no information about who actually runs the business. No names, no photos, and no background. It's a total ghost ship, which is a bold choice for a company that wants your credit card information. Finally, we hunted for user reviews and found a whole lot of nothing. There are no entries on Trustpilot, no discussions on Reddit, and not a single whisper of a satisfied customer anywhere online. It's impressively silent for a modern fashion brand. With stolen images, bot-only support, and a complete lack of transparency, this site is basically a festival of red flags. Our advice is to keep your wallet closed and shop somewhere that actually exists in reality. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this reality check, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and shop smart.